Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You begin by prepping the tissue so progress is safe. Warm your hands for 3-5 minutes with wrist circles and finger taps. This increases blood flow. Next, pick a hand grip or tennis ball and perform 3 sets of 10-15 squeezes to activate intrinsic muscles in the palm. Once done, hold palm and finger stretches for 20-30 seconds, 2-3 reps, to improve mobility. Make sure to work both hands evenly so development stays balanced and to reduce strain. Now you intensify with focused strength work to target palm width and thickness. Use progressive resistance, bump grip tension, or a denser ball each week, because muscle adaptation requires overload. Do finger spread presses and palm presses for 3 sets of 8-12 reps to engage the small muscles and connective tissue across the palm. Then, add wrist curls with light dumbbells for controlled 8-12 reps to support the whole hand chain. Make sure to rest 60-90 seconds between sets and maintain clean form to avoid tendon. To finish each session, you prioritize recovery so gains stick. Spend 5-10 minutes massaging the palm and applying gentle heat to relax tissue and improve circulation. Track progress with monthly photos and a simple width measurement so you can adjust intensity based on results. If you feel sharp pain or swelling, reduce load immediately, apply ice, and rest for 48-72 hours. If symptoms persist, consult a qualified therapist. Remember, consistent, measured progression.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.